Honestly, this looks like you can like inhale it in 1 second.
Okay, well, what's going on here?
Got a new type of video for you guys today. I want to do like a little bit of a vlog style. So it is the 4th night of Hanukkah. Me and David are dangerously low on donuts or sukanyot for Hanukkah, and we figured we'd make some donuts and have a little decorating competition between the two of us.
I'm excited to beat you.
Oh, is that how it is, eh?
The dough is actually, as we speak, rising in the oven.
Wait, did we talk about the rules yet?
The rules are, it's my dough that I made.
Okay, that's not a rule.
And we decorate 5 donuts.
Yeah. So I bought a whole bunch of toppings from IGA. You could use any of the toppings that I bought, even though when I asked you if you wanted something specific for me to buy, you only said chocolate. But you have to make at least one of your own from scratch.
That's fine. What, you use your toppings that you make?
No, you can't use the toppings that I make.
Oh.
You could use only the things that I bought.
Well, I'm just gonna put like powdered sugar and like sugar glaze. I'm gonna keep mine very simple.
You do that.
I like to be traditional. Who's the judge, though?
The judge, I'll post a picture and we'll have people vote on it.
Even if she decorates it nicer, it's my dough. I made the dough. No, too thin. No, it's good. No, it's good.
We left this dough to rise for like 6 hours today, so God help us that it'll actually stay good.
It's my kitchen. I love it.
A little bit more.
A little bit more?
Yeah, definitely.
But it's gonna be too thin.
Well, we need a lot of donuts.
Okay, you could button on that side. This side don't touch.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, I think I want Krispy Kreme style, like
Krispy Kreme style.
Nah, I'm not
You're not going for like traditional sufganiyot?
This is gonna be the easiest win I've ever had.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna win, that's what I'm doing.
What is this? Why are you flouring the whole thing? You said you were taking off the flour.
That's what I'm doing.
So you floured the whole thing?
No, I'm removing flour. Darn it.
Oh, it was a mistake that it kept falling in the thing?
Yeah.
Why do you keep doing it then? I can get more out of this dough.
Okay, but be gentle with it, because if you're too tough with it, it's not gonna work with you. What is this?
It's okay.
No, it's already.
No. What do you mean? I'm allowed redos.
See, you're really cheating.
I'm not cheating. It's not cheating.
No, it doesn't have to be perfectly round. When it's not round, you know it's homemade. You know it's not something you can buy in the store.
Wait, you don't.
It has to be imperfect to be perfect. You don't want a perfect donut, you know? It has to have personality. And you take this guy, you basically roll it, do as low a cigar. Open this now.
Okay, how do you make these little schnitzes?
Whoa, very.
Well, hello?
Hello, each get half.
But you didn't even cut it in half. Now you're taking way more. That was so much more than half.
No, it's half.
Look at it. So much more than half.
It's exactly half.
It's cheating. That's what it is.
These?
These? Nah, these we don't have to decorate. Well, I'm actually doing a little something with my little donut holes.
Pepa, I have 0 plans here. What do you have planned?
Whose fault is that?
I got just powdered sugar and regular sugar.
David did a little test donut right here. And we've got our donuts over here. My little, it was supposed to be like a flower over here. Yeah, I don't know what happened to this guy. We'll just see if that works out okay. So I'm going to toast some of these hazelnuts for one of my donuts.
What are you making exactly? Guys, I'm getting wordy, right?
How are your donuts so perfect though? These are all the neutral toppings that you have. We've got Nutella. Got traditional jam, raspberry jam, obviously. Marshmallows.
What are all these?
These are the toppings that you could use on your neutral toppings, as in
Neutral
like
toppings.
both you and I can use these. More marshmallows, which David already dug into.
Yes. Hang on, there's some more things. Hang on a second.
Yeah, powdered sugar, good call, good call. Chocolate, which again, David already dug into.
Vanilla extract. Oh, you ready to put your donuts? Great, this is going great.
Okay, so what else do we have here? Lotus cookie spread. I don't know who hasn't tried this yet, but this stuff is amazing. David clearly has tried this already.
Yeah, it's very good.
Lotus cookies.
Which I also dug into.
I didn't try any of this yet, by the way. And raspberries. Oh, and some crackers.
Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you today how to make a simple glaze for a donut. Take a little bit of powdered sugar. Okay, you guys can see that. A little bit of vanilla extract. You guys can see. Glaze number 1, complete. Number 2.
Oh my god, you're going really fast. I am doing like much more.
Copy number 2, nice and simple. Bowl of confectioner sugar. You
That
take
can't be
your
a topping.
you roll it in there. This is the best type of donut you're ever gonna get. You go like this. Take some plain sugar, add in the donut, and you have yourself a sugar donut. Let's go with this one. Dump it in there. Roll it in. Your water's boiling. You can see that. And that's number 2. Let's see how my glaze tastes first. Do a taste test. I'm gonna win.
So I am gonna make some melted chocolate for one of my donut glazes. That can't be one of your spreads. I made it.
It's not too bad.
That's cheating. Doesn't matter if I make.
We made this homemade Nutella.
I made it. I made it.
I'm just gonna re-melt it because it's a little bit solidified. And it's gonna be my 3rd topping. It's called being efficient.
There's no time limit, eh?
Oh, of course, whoever thinks first wins.
No, that's not how it works. This is the best chocolate glaze ever. So basically, I've got chocolate and you can use either margarine or butter in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of instant coffee in a cup. Just put the tiniest drop of water just so that it melts it. Vanilla extract, I'm gonna put that with my coffee.
For my 3rd donut is gonna be a
While he's doing that, I'm working on one of my donuts now, and this is gonna be my Nutella donut.
Okay, nobody cares about your donuts. They're here for me. I'm the star of the show here.
Sure. Okay, I gotta move some of your stuff out of the way. Oh my god, you took over the whole counter. Okay, so basically I have some hazelnuts in a bag here. So I am just going to crush this. Surprisingly easy. Let me taste. That's delicious.
So back to the regular program. I currently have here a donut filled with some beautiful raspberry jam. And I'm going to finish it off, turn it over, and finish it off with a simple dusting of icing sugar.
Okay, so I'm doing this little floured guy over here. I have my melted chocolate over here. I'm just gonna dip them in. Take my hazelnut, sprinkle those on top.
Can I have some of your thing?
You need one more donut, you know that, right?
I don't know. I'm with
I told babe, rules of the thing, and you can't use my
You
glaze.
just have some of your glaze.
But I need some of my glaze. Fine, I'm taking off 5 points if you use my glaze.
5 points.
I'm kidding. For the rest of this donut, I'm taking some Nutella here. And I'm just gonna put that in the center of the donut.
Such overkill.
It's delicious.
Can you guys see what's going on here? Put this down here. I'm gonna top it off with some beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see here, but this is my assortment of donuts. And if you were to ask me, I think I won. You're basically copying mine.
No, I was gonna do one of these anyways, and plus mine's gonna look nicer than yours. All right, so unlike David, who went from the bottom and all of his raspberry jam dripped out from the bottom, I am gonna be smart and go from the side. That is what happens when you buy things from the dollar store. Powdered sugar. Then I'm gonna put a little dot of raspberry jam on top. And where are my raspberries at? The donut looks terrible. You guys see this? Look at this. Come on, this is a competition, David. You want me to win?
Okay, so instead, I melted up some lotus spread.
Oh my god, this looks so good.
Get out of the way, this is mine.
Wow,
I melted up some lotus spread and I'm going to use that as a topping. Dunk them in there. I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think? Should I go the extra mile? Should I top it up with broken? Yeah, why not? Top it up with a little bit of lotus crumbs.
Ooh. Okay, so you think you know what you're doing, basically.
Yeah,
No, it looks really good. I'm getting a bit worried.
Okay, now I'm done, just by the way, and she's done 1.5.
I was editing my video at the same time.
Yeah.
I am going to dip this little guy in chocolate.
Betty,
Yeah.
just show you what you're up against.
Okay, David.
Here's my spread.
David, already mine looks
Do
better.
you guys see? Do you guys see? I guess you can see from your end. So I got my glazed, I got my chocolate with sprinkles, I got my sugar covered one, raspberry jam stuffed with icing sugar, and my lotus spread cover. I think I have it in the bag. Let's see.
Yeah. I am going to spread some lotus cookies on top of this chocolate one. This was my plan all the time.
Yeah, right. You stole my idea, I think.
No, this was my plan from the beginning. Your donuts look pretty good, I must say. I just missed my donut completely. Time for the marshmallows. All right, David. Now that you're done, you want to be my you want to be my photographer? You want to see what you're really up against? Can you give me a propane tank, please?
Excuse me?
Where is it? Are they here? Yeah.
Just FYI, I finished like half an hour ago, so.
Ha! It's been 3 seconds. So this is my s'mores donut, I'd say. Gonna take a nice little lotus cookie over here, diagonally cut, and then just put it in like that.
Alright, so far mine look better. I don't know about you.
Okay, so my next one is going to be sweet and salty. So I've got pretzels over here, if I can get these open. I'm gonna take a couple pretzels. I'm gonna take this lotus cream that David
Oh, what a...
You used my chocolate. I can use your melted lotus cream. All you did was melt it. You didn't even do anything. Wow. And come on, these look pretty damn good now. Okay, gotta think. Damn, but you stole mine, that's why.
Tick tock, tick tock. I have to say, the only one that was good is the Nutella one. The rest are a bit...
What? Are you joking? They all look delicious.
Well, let's see.
Okay, I'm done.
Done? Got time.
This is a disaster. So before we actually show you our finished results, here is the disaster that's in our kitchen. So we're gonna do a little bit of a cleanup.
far we're getting some votes which are going for Etties.
Oh.
So it's not looking good, guys. Not looking good. 3-1, guys. 3-1 so far.
3 votes for me? Who voted for you?
Nobody. I mean 3-0. I got no votes.
This was the key to me winning.
FYI, I have a YouTube channel which I make my own woodworking.
What?
No, I'm kidding. If you guys want to subscribe, it's called David's Shop.
Babe, that would be such a good idea. Why can't you do that?
I'm kidding.
You'd be so good though. We really do have quite a lot of donuts going on. So these are the undecorated donuts, and these poor little guys are the rejects.
We split the pictures up into a few WhatsApp groups, and I won some, or we tied in some crowd.
The overwhelming majority of the votes were to me.
I have a beautiful Krispy Kreme donut, right? We have a Krispy Kreme inspired donut with a sugar glaze.
It does look good. Honestly, this looks like you can like inhale it in 1 second.
You have the stolen from Etty chocolate glaze with sprinkles.
Disqualified.
You have the traditional sugar coated donut, raspberry jam stuffed with powdered sugar, and the lotus Biscoff glaze with a little bit of lotus cookies crumble. But yours is like you have to take a nap. You eat this and you're knocked out for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
You know, you gotta go on a 10-mile run.
My delicious Nutella donut over here. So it's glazed with chocolate, topped with hazelnuts, and with a delicious creamy Nutella center, which you can rip off each little bit over here and dip it into the Nutella. Amazing.
Roasted hazelnuts.
Roasted hazelnuts. See, you're helping the case, eh? And not caramel. Sorry, sweet and salty. So I've got the Biscoff spread with salted pretzels, raspberry jam filling. How much better does mine look? Just because it has that beautiful little raspberry on top. Come on,
true.
Like you know it's true. I've got the chocolate and raspberry right here. And last but not least, I think this is people's favorite.
Yeah, I think it's a crowd pleaser.
This is the s'mores chocolate donut. Look how good that looks. All right, so it is Tuesday night and I am just about done editing this video. And I realized I didn't really have an outro, so I figured I'd just film a quick one. No makeup or anything. Anyway, so those were my beautiful donuts. They were actually so delicious. Like I've been eating pretty much 2 or 3 donuts a day since we made them. Needless to say, so far, most of the votes have been for me. So I think I already know who the winner is, but I would still like to see all your votes down in the comments below. So don't forget to vote in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.